Hello Unite, this is Mr. Subran here. This is a short video to talk to you about the GCSE Computer Science and provide you with sufficient information that would help you make an informed decision as to whether this is the right course for you or not. So first of all, let's have a look at what the GCSE Computer Science is all about. Computer science is an exciting and creative subject. Almost every aspect of our daily lives is affected by computers, from how we travel to school and manage our social lives to vast networks that control global communications, trade, finance, health and transportation. In fact, using computers has become so integral to our daily lives that it would be very difficult to imagine life without them. The role of computer science as a discipline and as an underpinning subject across science and engineering is growing rapidly. Businesses today require an ever-increasing number of technology-aware individuals, particularly the gaming industry, mobile and web-related industries, e-commerce, and also cybersecurity. And this specification has been designed with that trend in mind. Let's have a look at why study computer science. Firstly, the GCSE Computer Science qualification is highly relevant to the modern and changing world that we live in. Understanding how computers shape our world and learning the skills necessary to be part of this digital revolution is vital. While you will no doubt already have some knowledge of computers and related areas, this course will give you an in-depth understanding of how computer technology works and look at what goes behind the scene. With increasing popularity of small portable computers such as smartphones, tablets and the Internet of Things, the ability to program is a skill which is in increasing demand. It is also an intensely creative subject that involves invention and excitement. Computer science is a practical subject where learners can apply the knowledge and skills learned in the classroom to real-world problems. The course enables you to learn to program and appreciate how hardware works. Through this, you will develop critical thinking, analysis and problem-solving skills. The course is designed to be fun and interesting to develop these skills, which can be transferred to other subjects or even applied in day-to-day life. In this way, the course will make an excellent preparation for learners who want to study in related areas or even in other fields like engineering, finance, science and medicine. Whilst this is a technically and challenging course, it is also very rewarding if you enjoy problem solving. Computational thinking is at the core of the computer science curriculum. This involves lots of different aspects of problem solving and computational theory. In the problem-solving sections of the course, you will learn about how to break down problems of wide range complexities into identifiable inputs, processors and outputs. This can then be turned into algorithms, which you will then learn to convert into actual program code using Python. While studying computational theory, you will learn all the concepts of how a computer actually works. You will learn how data and program instructions are stored and executed, how networks communicate, the everyday threats facing a network and how we can combat these threats, along with a look at the legal and ethical framework that computer scientists must operate within. Let's have a look at the course structure now. The course is actually made up of 2 units and each unit is worth 50% of the final grade. In Unit 1, which is about computer system, it covers the theory of computer science of the computer science course. This is broken down into 8 sections. This unit will introduce you to the internal workings of the CPU, exchanging of data, and also look at software development, computer network, the internet, data type, and the legal and ethical side issues of computing. Unit 2 is about programming, algorithm, and computational thinking. This is broken down into 5 sections. In this unit, you will study fundamentals in algorithms, and also have built a firm foundation in programming techniques. You will apply computational thinking skills to a range of problems prior to programming them in Python. In addition to the 2 exams, you will also complete a programming project and you will be given a scenario which you will need to analyze, plan, design before implementing the actual solution. Once you've created the program, you'll need to test and evaluate to the success of your project. Here are 2 examples of the programming project. On the left is one about designing a music quiz game, and on the right it's about the movie profiling system. And you can see that these are 2 complex problems, but you will need to apply computational thinking, which means breaking down those big problems into smaller, manageable problems. and that can be solved easier. This is the computer science map showing you the contents of the course. In terms of careers and opportunities, computer science continues to have a growing importance. This means that there will be a bigger demand for professionals who are qualified in this area. If you want to go on to higher study and employment in the field of computer science, you will find that this course provides a superb stepping stone. Computer science is a huge and growing industry as we discover more and more ways that computers can be used to help humans in our everyday lives, as well as some really cutting-edge technology like DNA modeling, deep learning, AI, and most recently, the global disease control. I hope that this video has been useful, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate me via my email or via Teams. Thank you. All the best.